This is iPhone XS. It is the most advanced iPhone we've ever created.
What's up, guys? Tyler here with an awesome extra special video today. Here we have the iPhone XS in hand. We're gonna do an unboxing of this, see what's inside, and fire this thing up for the first time. So, big Apple fan, big iPhone fan, and I had the 10, but had to get that XS, and now my wife is a proud owner of a 10. But went with the gold one. Thought it was a pretty cool color. So yeah, let's open this up. So there you go. You've got the new wallpaper on there. Then it says iPhone in gold as well. The apple's in gold. Let's open this up. So here we go. Of course, designed by Apple in California. This is just the normal stuff. Hello, welcome. You got the startup guide, the SIM card thing. Then you've got the Apple stickers, which are pretty cool. So put that in there. Here's, of course, the iPhone. We'll get to that in a second. Also in the box, you've got the charger. That's normal. You've got the headphones, wired headphones. One thing that's different about the XS, they're not including the dongle anymore. That is now a additional purchase. So if you want to use the wired headphones that you have, got to drop a few extra dollars for that. And then we've got the cable as well. Another thing that is not included, which is kind of a bummer, is the fast charging capability, the charger for fast charging. That's been around since last year's phones with the 10 and the 8, but Apple isn't throwing it in. Not a problem though. You just you can purchase a fast charger separately if you want to use that fast charger. So here we go. Here's the gold color. It's actually a pretty cool color. It kind of almost has like a copper feel to it, almost a little bit. It's not as pink as the older golds have been, and then the sides stainless steel gold as well. So let's fire this up. Maybe. There we go. All right, we got the Apple logo popping up here. Let's take the plastic off. Boom. There we go. This thing will be covered in fingerprints soon enough. So again, we've got the gold, the XS, it's got the faster processor, the better camera support, and there we go. Hello. So we're gonna get this thing set up here, and of course, I'm gonna slap a case on it. Even though I love that gold color, still gonna slap a case on it because better safe than sorry. But we've got a case right here, pretty cool case, an OtterBox with, of course, all the Avengers on it from Infinity War. It's got just about everyone on there. So we're gonna put this on here. Here we go. It's a little tight. Hold on. Hold, please. There we go. There we go. So there's the case with the phone. There's the phone. I'm gonna get this set up. So just a quick little video here, guys, showing you the XS. An awesome phone. If you love the 10, you're gonna love the XS. But that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe. Stay tuned. Always new videos coming. As always, guys, keep it classy. Thanks for watching.